You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English, also from French. Now, there are different pronunciations. In French it's pronounced Vivianne, and that's very much the French spelling, at least, of the name, so could be pronounced Vivianne in English, or it's also commonly pronounced as Vivian. Now, this particular spelling without the N-E at the end, if it's only V-I-V-I-N, I-A-N, Vivian, yes, definitely here, it'd be more Vivianne. How do you pronounce it yourself, Vivian or Vivianne? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.